Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this original image for a long time ago with 4x5 black and white negative film, and yesterday I made this image, black and white image, to colorize, and I made some white surrounding mask, then finish up this image. Now I'm going to continue to make something from here. Now I have these layers, and turn it off, these white borders. This is the base image for today. Well, colorized. Well, actually I add color on background with brush texture pretty much, and also I colorize this subject. So I'm gonna combine these three layers as a base image. Make group, then flatten this image. Now this is the base image, and I don't need white. Well, I'm just leave it this white layer mask, this one, and just leave it here, turn it off. Then I have, delete this mask, and I have pencil drawing type image, bring back to 100% normal, which is, this is the pencil drawing type of image. Well, I used the Adobe Photoshop used to filter called Find Edges from black and white original image. Okay, we got this pencil drawing type image, and also I have this colorized base image. Okay, now this is, I'm going to change, rename. Okay, from here, let's get started. Now I want to check this pencil drawing type image. Change blend mode to, let's see. I really like this pencil drawing type image. So nice illustration. Look at this overlay. Hey, looks like real nice color photograph, huh? Pin light. This is interesting. Well, luminosity, really nice, soft pastel colors. Really nice. Okay, I'm gonna make, let's see, make group, then duplicate this group. Now flatten this image. Now I'm gonna change rename, right? Luminosity effect layer. Now turn it off to keep this image. Then I'm gonna change blend mode of this pencil drawing type image. Overlay, that was pretty nice, huh? This color. Yeah, this is, look at this. Look at these rabbits. Look at this color burn. Linear burn. I love this dark color image. Well, yeah, I'm gonna fix color burn and overlay. Now duplicate this color burn image, then flatten this image. Then I'm gonna, turn it off, this color burn effect layer, and then overlay effect layer. Now duplicate this, then flatten this overlay effect layer. Okay, we got luminosity effect layer, color burn, overlay, these three layers, color burn and luminosity effect. Move this base image and a pencil drawing type image, get out of this group, move outside, then delete this group. Now we got 5 layers to play around today. And I may use white layer mask, so I'm just leave it there. Now, turn it off, this pencil drawing type image and a base image. We got this luminosity effect layer as a base image. I still like this. illustration image. And color burn, this dark image, dark side of the color, which is so attractive to me, and this highlight side, the color contrast of this overlay effect, that's real nice too. Well, move this luminosity effect layer all the way to the bottom of these two other effect layers. Now this is the base image, luminosity effect. Then I'm gonna make dark image from this color burn image, dark side, or maybe highlight side from this color burn effect. Then dark area has more details on this overlay effect layer to get some details from here. Okay, in this case, I have this base image, then overlay effect layer, make mask, then invert mask. Reveal this mask with airbrushing to medium blend. Well, kind of interesting, really illustration image, huh? Shadow side, only from overlay. This is nice, interesting, very interesting. Now we have highlight side from this color burn. Well, let's see. Make mask, then invert mask. Okay, reveal. Well, this is interesting because now revealing highlight side, but just highlight side is next to shadow side. So it goes highlight side gets darker and shadow side going to lighter image, kind of upside down, opposite side, huh? Well, I don't know if it's going to be effective or not. Kind of strange image, huh? Well, some part, like let's see this one, reveal this shadow area, then reveal this highlight area. It's not that interesting. Well, what about the experimentation? I've never done. Kind of interesting to see. Well, overall, regular illustration type image. Tone down on the highlight side. Then this one is more detail on shadow side. Then base image is this luminosity effect layer. Well, I guess that's pretty much different type of the illustration. Then we have white layer mask. Doesn't show. Well, maybe because we don't have the pencil drawing type image, huh? So I'm gonna move this one up all the way top, then turn it on. Now change the blend mode to darken. So we see the pencil drawing type image too dark, so tone down about 60. Still wanna see some colors. Well, this time I think no white layer mask, just see all the colors. Some colors are effective on this color burn layer, or oh, this is it. Okay, overlay effect layer, like these colors shows more Now this is gonna be the selective. Yeah, not much on detail on this rope, so I'm not gonna reveal this color burn layer, but I'm gonna reveal this has more texture on the rope, so I'm gonna reveal on this overlay effect layer. It shows more detail. Well, that's selective masking. Selective mask. Okay. Now I'm thinking about what if use that texture of the brush. Now more interesting. So let's see. Now I'm gonna use some maybe sketching to chalk, or I think little pine roaming type texture like a evolve, kind of sharp edge, so like this. Let's see, layer mask on overlay shows more sharp edge to see this. Yeah, it's gonna be kind of interesting, I think. Not everything, just part of it. Yeah, alright. That's the way, maybe. Look at this rabbit. Not this one, this is too dark. So now, again, I'm gonna reveal this overlay effect layer. Yeah, I want to see this rabbit to be stand out. And how about here? Yeah, same thing. Colors up. Of this face here. Yeah, not on this color burn. Well, some part I think color burn is more maybe effective. But now, so far, to reveal this model's shape, a little bit more contrast. Well, interesting. Just pick up from this overlay effect layer, like this color of the bread. That's nice. So I'm gonna reveal this side. Okay, now overall pretty much done, and I don't know, this pencil drawing type image, it's not much effective. Change darken to, let's see, color burn. Gets more colors sharper. Okay, make it color burn on this pencil drawing type image. Then now, I think I need some. These ones come from overlay effect, darken, overlay effect layer. No, color burn effect layer. Okay, I guess I'm gonna finish up, touch up all overall to finish up. Now I'm gonna smudge this. And the pencil drawing type image. Luminosity effect. This is a base image. Yeah, this destructive. Just clean up. And also the other one. Pencil drawing type image, maybe. Yep. This pencil drawing type image and luminosity effect layer has almost done. Alright, pretty much done. Now I think though, this is luminosity effect layer as a base. Over that, overlay effect layer with mask, and also color burn effect layer with mask. Not much on this collarbone. Okay. Now I think I need some kind of background color, a little bit more dark. So let's see about this white layer mask. I don't think I need this. So I'm going to delete this. Now we have pencil drawing type image, change blend mode to color burn. Gets a little bit darker overall image. Now I want to add over this luminosity layer as a base image. I'm going to add layer, then artistic to Terraria. Go from right now make mask. So airbrushing to soft brush in this mask. Yep, I guess that's it. That's it for today, and well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work. Maybe photograph to illustration type image. This is one way. Well, thank you again. I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.